Good day, sir. My name is Romilio Mapitan. I'm going to recite Section 1, Rule 115, Right of the Accused. Section 1, Rule 115, Right of the Accused at a Trial. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be entitled to the following rights. Paragraph A, to be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved beyond reasonable doubt. Paragraph B, to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him. Paragraph C, to be present and defend in person and by counsel at every stage of proceeding, from arraignment to promulgation of judgment. The accused may, however, waive his presence at a trial pursuant stipulation set forth in his bail, unless his presence is specifically ordered by the court for purpose of identification, the absence of the accused without justifiable cause at a trial which he had noticed, shall be considered as a waiver of his right to be present thereat. When an accused under custody escape, he shall be deemed to have waived his right to be present in all subsequent trial dates until custody over him is regained. Upon motion, an accused may upon motion, the accused may, however, defend himself in in person when it sufficiently appear to the court that he can properly protect his right without the assistance of the counsel. Paragraph D, to testify as a witness in his behalf, but subject to cross-examination on matters covered by direct examination. His silence shall not in any manner prejudice him. Paragraph E, to be exempt from being compelled to be a witness against himself. Paragraph F, to confront and cross-examine the witness at a trial. Each party may utilize as part of its evidence the testimony of a witness who is deceased, out of or cannot with due diligence be found in Philippines, unavailable or otherwise unable to testify, given another case or proceeding, judicial or administrative, involving same parties and subject matter, the adverse party having the opportunity to cross-examine him. Paragraph G, to have compulsory process issued to secure the attendance of a witness and production of other evidence in his behalf. Paragraph H, to have speedy, impartial and public to have speedy and impartial and public trial. Paragraph I, to, to appeal all cases allowed and in a given manner prescribed by the law.